Today we will see about polar and pole. ఈ రెండు ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. Okay, what is a polar, what is a pole? Let us understand. From external point, if you draw lines, it will intersect at two different points, P1, Q1, P2, Q2, P3, Q3, P4, Q4, like this. So many lines we can draw. So if P1, Q1 against a tangent, again tangent, all this will be intersecting at one point. This line is called polar. And this point is called pole. Okay, what is the polar formula? S1 is equal to 0. Tangent formula is polar equation. There is no change in the polar formula. So remember, S1 is equal to 0 is for tangent, S1 is equal to 0 is for polar. So xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1, all that formula we know. And remember here, most important, if polar equation is Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, then pole x1 y1 is given by the formula x1 plus g by L, y1 plus f by m is equal to r square by Lg plus mf minus n. This is chala important formula, sir. x1 plus g by L, y1 plus f by m is equal to r square by Lg plus mf minus n. Please remember this pole formula. Okay, let us solve the problems based on this. Okay, let us see problems based on this topic, sir. Find the polar equation from 2, 3 with respect to x square plus y square plus 6x minus plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. Right? Now solution. Polar is xx1 yy1 g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So what is the 2g value? 6. 2f is equal to 8. C is equal to minus 96. What is the g value? 3. What is the f value? 4. And what is the x1 y1? 2, 3. Therefore, S1 is equal to xx1 x into 2 plus y into 3 plus g 3 into y x plus 2 plus 4 into y plus 3 minus 96 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 3x plus 6 4y plus 12 minus 96 is equal to 0. 5x plus 7y 6 plus 12 18 means minus 78 is equal to 0. Right? So just simple application of formula. Now most important is this. Here pole find vachana chala important. Find the pole of x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 with respect to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Now solution. 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 12. Right? Then what is the radius? Root of minus c. So 12. So how much we get? 5. Now let Px1 y1 is the pole. x1 plus g by L, y1 plus f by m is equal to r square by Lg plus mf minus n. Now put the values. G value enta sir? Minus 2. L value for x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. So we substitute the values. x1 minus 2 by 1, y1 minus plus 3 by 1 is equal to r square means what, sir? 25. Lg minus 2, mf plus 3, n is minus 2. So what will happen? x1 minus 2 by 1, y1 plus 3 by 1, here 25 by minus 1, because minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1. Therefore x1 minus 2 is equal to minus 25 and y1 plus 3 is equal to minus 25. Bring minus 2 here, so minus 23. What is the y1? Minus 28. So what is the pole? Minus 23 comma minus 28. Right? Ante formula application. This is very very important, sir. Please note down this. Next, find the pole of three x plus 4y minus 45 is equal to 0 with respect to circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0. Again, 2g is equal to minus 6 minus 8, c is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 4, right? And radius root of g square plus f square minus c, 9 plus 16 minus 5. Formula application, sir. This will be root 20. Okay. Don't bother about the finding the square root of 20. Also, sir. Leave it like that. For line 3x plus 4y minus 45 is equal to 0. L is equal to 3, m is equal to 4, n is equal to minus 45. Pole is x1 y1. Formula x1 plus g by L, y1 plus f by m is equal to r square by lg plus mf minus n. Substitute the values, sir. x1 plus g value anta, sir? Minus 3 by L value anta? 3. y1 plus 4f by 4 is equal to r square. R value anta, sir? Root 20 whole square by lg. Lg means 3 into g value anta, sir? Minus 3. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Next mf 4 into minus 4 minus 4. N is what, sir? Minus 45. Minus of minus plus 45. Sorry, 4 into 4 16, sir, here. Right? Now what will happen? Minus 3 by 3 y1 plus 4 by 4 is equal to 20 by 20, because minus 25 plus 45 and minus 20. So this becomes x1 minus 3 by 3 is equal to 1, y1 minus 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So x1 minus 3 is equal to 3, y1 minus 4 is equal to 4. So x1 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to 8. So what is the pole? 6 comma 8. Okay. Now I will give you one problem for practice, sir. Note down this problem. X minus 2y plus 22 is equal to line equation, sir. X square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0 is a circle. You can try this problem. Okay. Okay. Dintlo conjugate points. What is the meaning of conjugate points? For p x1 y1 we draw polar equation, sir. For this point we draw polar equation. We identify one more point, sir, q. Inko point identify chestam, sir. Q x2 y2. If this point satisfies this line, then what we say, p and q are called conjugate points. Conjugate points. For example, your polar equation is x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 or 5 is equal to 0. Say I am just giving example. I have selected point 2 comma 3. Then what will happen? 2 plus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. So for some p point 1 comma 3, you got polar equation. I am just giving example. P and a point is answer 1 comma 3, we got polar equation x plus y minus 5. I have taken 2 comma 3, it is satisfying. So 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 are called conjugate points. Means you have to find the polar equation, then in the polar equation you have to substitute the second point. Okay, this is a procedure, but you understood what is the conjugate? For this point we are drawing a polar. On this polar we are identifying one more point. What is the point? Q x2 y2. It is going to satisfy this. If it satisfies this line, then that is called conjugate. So what is the procedure we say? S12 is equal to 0. If S12 is equal to 0, it is called conjugate points. We have seen S11, we have seen S1, now we are seeing S12. What is the formula? x1 x2 y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, what is the formula? x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f y1 plus y2 plus c. If this value 0, then it is called conjugate point. And we have to find out this. Because x1 x2 numbers are, all these are numbers. If you add these numbers, then if you get 0, then the points are called conjugate. Okay, please note down this formula. Let us see some problems based on this. Now, show that the points 6 comma minus 1, sorry, minus 6 comma 1, minus 6 comma 1, 2 comma 3 are conjugates for the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solution. For conjugate, condition is what, sir? S12 is equal to 0. x1 x2 y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. This is formula. Right? Now we'll write one by one. x1 y1 enta sir? Minus 6 comma 1. x2 y2 2 comma 3. What is the 2g? Minus 2. 2f is equal to 2. c is equal to 1. g is equal to minus 1. f is equal to 1. Therefore, x1 x2. ఇక్కడ x1 ఇది x2 సార్, అంటే minus 6 into 2 plus y1 y2 1 into 3 plus g value minus 1 into x1 plus x2 minus 6 plus 2. Then f is what, sir? 1 plus 1 into y1 plus y2. y1 is 1 plus 3. And what is the c value? 1. Don't put equal to 0. We have to prove this. Minus 12 plus 3 minus 4 means plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. 7, 11, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Therefore, points are conjugate. Right? Again, show that the points 4 comma 2, 3 comma minus 5 are conjugates for x square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now again, solution. For conjugate, S12 is equal to 0. Formula. x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. This is formula, sir. Again, put the values. x1 y1. First values raddam, sir. 4 comma 2. x2 y2. 3 comma minus 5. And what is the 2g? Minus 3. 2f minus 5. c is equal to 1. Okay. Alright. So g value minus 3 by 2. F value minus 5 by 2. Now put the values. Therefore, x1 x2 4 into 3 plus 2 into minus 5. And g value enta sir? Minus 3 by 2 into x1 plus x2 4 plus 3. F is what, sir? Minus 5 by 2. y1 plus y2 2 minus 5. c value enta? Plus 1. We have to prove equal to 0. Ikkada equal to 0 రాయకూడదు, sir. We have to prove that. So అందుకని రాసు 12 minus 10 minus 7 21 by 2 అంటే కదా 4 plus 3 7 7 3 are 21 by 2. 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus of minus plus 15 by 2 plus 1. So it is because 12 plus 1 13 13 minus 10 3 and both are same. So minus 6 by 3 plus 3 అంటే కదా minus 25 plus 15 అంటే minus 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 minus 3 0. Therefore conjugate. Again explain చేస్తాను చూడండి సార్. 4 into 3 12 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 3 by 2, 4 plus 3, 27, 7 3s are 21 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 2 minus 5 minus 3, minus of minus plus అవుతుంది సార్ 5 7 3 into 5 15 by 2 plus 1, so 12 plus 1 13, 13 minus 10 3, okay, minus 21 plus 15 అంటే 15 minus 21 is minus 6, minus 6 by 3 is minus 6 by 3 2 is 3, so 3 minus 3 is 0, so this is conjugate. ఓకే, ఈ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చూసుకోండి సార్. నెక్స్ట్, if 4 comma k 2 comma 3 are conjugates for circle x square plus y square is equal to 17, find k. Solution for conjugate S12 is equal to 0. Formula x1 x2 y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0, right? Formula assumption, sir. Now first I'll write x1 y1 4 comma k, x2 y2 2 comma 3. Now for circle, look at here, 17 you have to bring this side 0, so 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 17, g value 0, f value 0, right? Now therefore x1 x2, what is x1 x2? 4 into 2 plus k into 3 plus g value 0, f value 0, so don't bother about this, c value minus 17. Because g and f will 0, sir, so it will become 8 plus 3k minus 17 is equal to 0, so k is equal to 3, right? Next, if 1 comma 3 2 comma k are conjugates for x square plus y square is equal to 35, find k. So solution for conjugate, formula S12 is equal to 0, x1 x2 y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. Now what is x1 y1? 1 comma 3, x2 y2 2 comma k, right? Then what is that for circle? X square plus y square minus 35 is equal to 0, 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 35, then g is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, because g value, f value. Now therefore S12 అంటే x1 x2 అంటే 1 into 2, right, plus 3 into k, g value, f value 0, ఈ రెండు అవసరం లేదు సార్, c value minus 35 is equal to 0, 2 plus 3k minus 35 is equal to 0, minus 33 plus 3k is equal to 0, 3k is equal to 33, k is equal to 11. Same model, sir. Okay, let us see one more problem. Find the value of k if 4 comma 2 k comma minus 3 are conjugate for x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now solution S12 is equal to 0 for conjugate, right? So what is formula? x1 x2 y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the 2g value? Minus 5. 2f is equal to 8, c is equal to 6. 5 by 2, f is equal to 4. Right? And what is the x1 y1? x1 y1 is 4 comma 2, x2 y2, k comma minus 3. Now put the values. s1 s2, x1 x2 4 into k plus y1 y2 2 into minus 3 plus, now f g value unna sir, what is the g value? Minus 5 by 2 into x1 x plus x2, x1 is 4, x2 is 4, k, 4 plus k, and y1 y2, sorry, f value is what sir? 4 into y1 plus y2, y1 is what sir? 2 minus 3, and what is the c value? Plus 6 is equal to 0. So 4k minus 6, open the bracket, 20 by 2 means 10. 5 into 4 20, 20 by 2 is 10, minus 5 by 2k plus, sorry, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 4k minus 5 by 2k, ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్ పక్కన రాస్తున్నాం సార్. Minus 6 plus 6 will get cancelled, minus 14 is equal to 0. LCM is 2. So 8k minus 5k minus 28 is equal to 0. 4k, 8k minus 5k minus 28 is equal to 0. 3k minus 28 is equal to 0. K is equal to 28 by 3. Right? So what we have done, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి g value, f values ఉన్నాయి, then we have to find the value. Okay, copy this. Now we have seen conjugate points to sir. What are the conjugate points? We are taking a point and we are finding polar and we are identifying one more point. Okay? ఈ పాయింట్ పోలార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి వీఆర్ ఐడెంటిఫై వన్ మోర్ పాయింట్. ఇఫ్ దట్ పాయింట్ సాటిస్ఫై దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్. నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాంజుగేట్ లైన్స్? నౌ పోలార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ గివెన్, దిస్ లైన్ ఈస్ గివెన్. పోలార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చేసారు మనకి. పోలార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ L1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. విత్ రెఫరెన్స్ టు పోలార్ యూ హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద పోల్. అంటే యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా, దట్ ఈస్ x1 ప్లస్ g బై l y1 ప్లస్ f బై m, ఆ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసి యూ హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ పోలార్ అండ్ పోల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి సార్ x1 y1. ఇఫ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ satisfies one more line, this line is somewhere different sir, ee line satisfying, then this line and this line is called conjugate lines. Akkada points are, ikkada lines, that's why we say these are called conjugate lines. Means what? For conjugate lines, using polar you have to find pole, that pole you put in one more line, if you get 0, that is called conjugate lines. The formula is this. If I say, you have to remember this formula sir, L1x plus m1y plus n1 is equal to 0, L2x plus m2y plus n2 is equal to 0. L1x plus m1y plus n1 is equal to 0, L2x plus m2y plus n2 is equal to 0 are conjugate lines. L1 is equal to L1g plus m1f minus n1 into L2g plus m2f minus n2. Formula answer r square into L1 L2, r square is into L1 L2 is equal to L1g plus m1f minus n1 L2g plus m2f minus n2. ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి సార్. ఓకే, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ లెట్ us solve some problems. Let us take one problem. Show that the lines 2x plus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 are conjugate for x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, now solution. For conjugate formula రాయాలి సార్ కంపల్సరీగా. 4 మార్క్స్ వెయిటేజ్. r square into L1 L2 plus m1 m2 is equal to L1g plus m1f minus n1 L2g plus m2f minus n2 అన్ని వాల్యూస్ రాద్దాం సార్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద 2g 4, 2f is equal to 6, c is equal to 12. So what is the g value? 2, f value 3 and r value g square plus f square minus c, that is root of 4 plus 9 minus 12, 1. Okay, now we got value. Now for first line answer 2x plus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0, put a semicolon, 2x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. L1 is 2, M1 is 3, N1 is 11. Put a line here. L2 is equal to 2, M2 is equal to minus 2, N2 is equal to minus 1. Right? These values. Now take LHS. LHS answer R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2. R square value, R value ఎంత వచ్చింది సార్? 1. 1 square into L1 L2. What is the L1? 2 into 2, 4. Plus N1 N2. What? 3 into minus 2. Minus 6 is equal to minus 2. RHS. RHS L1G M1F minus N1 L2G plus M2F minus N2. Now substitute the values carefully. 2 into 2, 4. M1F 3 into 3, 9. N1 is what sir? 11. So minus 11 into L2G 2 into 2, 4. Minus 6 minus of minus plus N2 minus 1 sir, minus of minus. So 13 minus 11, 2. 4 minus 1, 5, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 6 is minus. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore conjugate lines. Okay. So based on this we will be doing 2-3 problems sir. Chala important sir, the conjugate lines. Okay. Slowga circle lo now we have got angle between the circle, angle between the tangents oka cheyali sir, and relative position cheyeste circle chapter అయిపోతుంది sir. Okay, we'll continue next class.